God bless. My boy DJ. Yeah, I met some scriptures. Bible. I'ma say Isaiah. Read and Isaiah. Yeah, man. I have to make a joyful Isaiah. Yeah, me I say no. Lord, I'm a shepherd. All of my friend them a Balaam. We know this so be a God, we know Balaam. We are like Abraham. No, so when the Lord stay long, him a go make a way ram. If I never hear on, God wouldn't appear unto me like Moses. Bush burning like Samson, me determined to kill evil with me beer on. God a God from day one. I know man is an island unless them a key man. Make me put this in a layman term. If I never Jesus me, that be a layman. See man who carry the children, them in a Canaan. Everybody fill up the Lord Raymond. Him able to wipe all the stain off of Canaan. Him fall rain and make heaven and earth. Are the first thing me learn in a grade one. Hey, me nah worry, I know me nah fret. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. Why him do fi joke, no me nah go forget. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. Tell them me nah worry, I know me nah fret. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. And you, the wages of sin that are debt. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. If I never Jacob be a club, me with a flask in a one party with a cars in my pay stub, AK submachine. God wash me off in a the love machine. If you look, you see a base hood. Jesus dead pon the cross, waste blood. Fan him head and him palm and him waste blood. Vampire who a walk and a taste blood over our doorway with paste blood. Can't do me nothing like Daniel in a the den. And a prophet like Samuel. And even if me drive hard, me no crash like a hard drive. Like say me the in a the del. If I never David, I would the Bible.
Alright, so now I'm going to be as if I was talking before. So I'm just filling in my brows, my contact lenses. Look, my eyes look weird. They look really wide. I look like the girl from Underworld, the vampire girl from Underworld. Anyway, so my contact lenses are from PrimaLens.com, and they are in the color Grace Ash. But it's really nice bright blue. So I'm using my eyebrow pencil that you just saw. I'm going in with my Sedona Lace Quad, and I'm doing my brows. I would typically do it. I do nothing different here. So next I'm going in with my primer, and I'm actually using the Fenty primer from Fenty Beauty. It is when this video going to go up? It's going to go up after. So this is in my January faves. I really love this primer, and I'm going in with my Black Opal Stick Foundation, and this is in the color Carob. I've been wearing Carob for days, not for days. For years. I know how to use it. I use it on clients lighter than me, darker than me. It does contour, it does highlight. I love it to bits and pieces. So now I'm going in with Fenty Beauty matchstick in suede, and this is what I used to highlight, and I've been loving how it sits so nicely and effortlessly on the Black Opal foundation. I really love the Fenty products. They're really good. I recommend them hands down, especially in a kit, and they make a kit look really sexy. I'm going in again with their matchstick from Fenty Beauty, and this is in the color Espresso. This is what I use to low light, and I'm blending out lightly right where my highlight meets my low light, and then I'm going to blend all over. So I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup, and I'm going in with the damp sponge, and this sponge is from Fenty Beauty as well. The reason why I'm saying this is because I realized that I got some new subbies, and they may not know what I'm using. They might be new to makeup. So when I do these voiceovers, I'm going to explain from the point of view of you not knowing. I can't explain from the point of view of, oh, you already know this already, except for my brows, because I've done so many tutorials on my brows. So for my brow bone, I used Sacha Buttercup to set my brow bone. I love that for setting my brow bone. And for my all over face, which is what I'm using now, is my Black Opal powder in 700 deep. So I'm going in with this color from the Beauty Bakery palette, and just to give you guys can see what I'm using from here on out, but just to give my final 2 cents on Beauty Bakery makeup, it is really good. It's okay. I'm not saying it's completely excellent. This blush from Inglot is absolutely phenomenal. It is so pigmented. It doesn't even look like a blush. It just looks like an eyeshadow. It's so pigmented. But back to Beauty Bakery, the products are well, this one eyeshadow that I have is really good. Eyeshadow palette is really good. I can't wait for them to come out with more palettes, because I'm a palette type of girl. I'm not a girl that dabbles into different foundations, but I would buy tons of palettes. That's what I would do. So yeah, so the colors are okay. It shows up on my skin, but for the I have to compare it with the with another company that I used to use, and that other company ones, it just seems a bit more smoother. Now you do get color payoff from Beauty Baker products. I'm not saying you don't, I'm just saying the colors are a bit smoother, so maybe it has to do with how they press them or whatever, I don't know. But for now it works, and I will be definitely using this palette again. However, that probably won't be for some time now, because I'm trying to rebuild my palette collection. All right, so I'm going in with my black pencil. It's called a Marbrook pencil or Marbrook pencil. It's from isaacandnfa.com, and I'm going in back in with this orange color. This orange color for me is a staple. Any orange, if I see orange or like a reddish brown or black in any palette, it is just my dream to have. So these lashes are from La Page Trends, and I'm going to be completely honest, I don't know the names. I'm taking LeBron's LeBron's Dreams, and I'm also taking La Peach LeBron's, and La Peach works so nicely together. I put LeBron's on the bottom and La Peach on top, and it just makes my skin look so good. I am hella proud of Jackie Aina. Any YouTuber, you know, that's doing the darn thing, I'm so proud of, especially when the product is good and it works on various skin tones. So this is the eyeshadow that I use for my blush as well, and I love a good orange blush. If you guys have any suggestions, for orange blushes, just let me know in the comment section. So I'm taking Freckle Fiesta from Fenty Beauty, and this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Mwah, mwah. Kissing, kissing, mwah, mwah. Mwah.
I talk to God like what's next for me. I'm just fulfilling my destiny. Yeah, my pops told me he was proud. I don't think he knew what that meant to me. Yeah, you try to take advantage of me before you die, you'll be dead to me.